Ladies and gentlemen, I am thrilled to introduce the Lamborghini Aventador, a flagship supercar that embodies the essence of Italian design, engineering, and performance. The Aventador's story began in 2011 when Lamborghini unveiled the car at the Geneva Motor Show. The Aventador was designed to replace the Murciélago, and it marked a new era for Lamborghini, with a focus on innovative technology, exceptional performance, and uncompromising design. The Aventador's name is inspired by a bull that fought in the bullring of Zaragoza, Spain, in 1993. The bull's courage and strength in the face of adversity are qualities that Lamborghini aims to embody in its cars. The Aventador's design is a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship, with a sleek, angular body that is both beautiful and functional. The car's chassis is made from advanced carbon fiber, which provides exceptional strength, stiffness, and lightness. Under the hood, the Aventador boasts a mighty 6.5-liter V12 engine, which produces 691 horsepower and 509 lb-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and an all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and handling. Over the years, the Aventador has undergone several updates and special editions, including the Aventador LP 700-4, the Aventador LP 750-4 Superveloce, and the Aventador SVJ. Each of these models has pushed the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. Today, the Aventador remains one of the most iconic and desirable supercars in the world, with a loyal following among car enthusiasts and collectors. Its exceptional performance, stunning design, and rich heritage make it a true masterpiece of Italian automotive art. Key features of the Lamborghini Aventador include 6.5-liter V12 engine producing 691 horsepower and 509 lb-ft of torque. 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. All-wheel drive system. Carbon fiber chassis. Advanced aerodynamics and downforce. Luxurious interior with premium materials and craftsmanship. I am excited to introduce this incredible car to our company, and I believe it has the potential to inspire and delight car enthusiasts around the world. Thank you.